I think that this might be the thinnest iPhone case that works with MagSafe. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. Totallee rocks, dude. Hey, Totallee cases are not a stranger to me because I have used them before. And I was actually looking for a case for my iPhone that would allow me to continue to use MagSafe, mounted to magnetic accessories, and yet be super thin. The case I have on there right now is the Apple silicone case, and it's a very good case. I like it. It works well, but it's pretty thick. And especially when you have the 13 Pro Max, it's a very large phone to begin with, so kind of reducing the size as much as possible is kind of nice. Now, I believe that this has no MagSafe capability to it, but it's so thin that the magnets in the iPhone itself will work through it. So here is what we get here. You can order this in a few different finishes and colors. I just got it in this matte clear. As you can see, it's a little frosted, but obviously quite light. I mean, it almost feels like the plastic that goes on blister packs. It's not very thick. It's very, very thin. And if I were just to take a Pro like this, you can see we have cutouts for the volume buttons and the mute switch and then the power button. So those are all cutouts. And then down here, cutouts for the speaker and the ports. There's even a little bit of a raised edge that should go around the camera housing. So if I just slip this in here like this, you can see, man, that is a good fit. Now the question is, will the magnets inside of the phone be sufficient for when I put this on my nightstand magnetic charger, put it on the charger in the car, especially when you're moving around? Will this hold it in? Is this so thin that it's going to provide me some scratch protection but allow me to continue to use this MagSafe? Let's find out. Alright, so first test, here is my little wireless charger, and I have the Totallee case on here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on, and boom, look at that. It is charging, being held on with nothing but the magnets on the phone. So the case is not interfering there. Now, I will say that it seems to be pretty easy to pull off, which might be a good thing. And actually, in some ways, the fact that this isn't as sticky as it is with the other case on there is kind of nice, especially if you have this on a nightstand, you just want to grab it. Sometimes I find it pulling away the charger itself, but as you can see here, it kind of pulls away nicely. Now, one thing I am a little worried about is having this in my car, because if you can see here, if I just tap this, I can get it to fall off. So I'm a little worried that the MagSafe mount in my car might not be strong enough through this case to survive the bumps and the movement of a car. So let's try it there. All right, inside my car here with my little MagSafe charger. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that on there. And as you can see, it sticks on there. But I will say that MagSafe case that I have from Apple with that additional magnet in there is kind of a game changer. While it's on there, I don't have to hit it that hard for it to fall. So it leaves me a little bit concerned that it's just not strong enough. You know, it works, and especially on the nightstand where it's not going to move around and I want to grab it and just have it come off really easily. Say I were charging this at my desk, you know, and I wanted to run to a meeting, grab it, and just comes off just like that. It's pretty nice. So in some instances, it's a benefit. But in this case, I wish it were just a little bit stronger. The other drawback of the Totallee case here is that because the case has cutouts for the buttons end up being flush. So when I hit this button, you can see it, you actually have to kind of press into it because it just doesn't protrude very much. And so you actually have to kind of get your finger in there to hit these buttons. You know, it's not a big thing, and maybe you like that because it just makes a nice clean edge, but that's one of the traits of the really thin cases that you'll have to decide if you want to live with or not. So, does it work? Absolutely. Can it work for your application? For sure. But if you're interested in this Totallee case because you think, hey, the nice slim case on my iPhone is really what I want, reduce the bulk, and still work with the MagSafe charger. Maybe you want it to be just a little bit less sticky on those MagSafe chargers. Well then, this might be the case for you. If you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Obviously, quite light.